We have talked about a lot of cryptos and price prediction in this channel. Previously in here, we talk about the success of Crypto.com thanks to the Los Angeles Lakers changing arenas to have Crypto.com in it. Since that arena transfer, CRO has increased in popularity and have made a name for themselves. However, it seems like the luck of Crypto.com is not over yet and the planets are lining up for them once again. So, let's talk about that, shall we? What is up, people of the internet, and welcome to another video from Crypto Cash Out, where we bring you anything and everything that falls under the crypto space. Before we head on to the topic of the video, like always, we would like to remind you that whatever we say or show in this video shall not be taken as a piece of financial advice, as we are not financial advisors, nor are we experts in crypto. We made this video as crypto fans to inform people and to let the layman know more about crypto and what makes it fascinating. It is always best to follow up this video with additional research on your own. So, let's head on to the topic of the video. Crypto.com is a relatively new name in the crypto market, and people are getting more and more into it because of its unique features and its potential to be one of the great wallets in the market. We have a previous video on it that went in deeply on the arena topic of the Los Angeles Lakers. However, as stated earlier, things are just going their way, so we will talk more about that in this video. But before that, a little background about the wallet. Founded in 2016 by Chris Marzalek, Raffaello Mello, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao, Crypto.com was developed with the vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. In 2018, this vision led them to launch their very own coin creatively named Crypto.com Coin, but it is shortened to CRO to avoid a mouthful of words. They also plan to incentivize the users of the platform, as the users can earn cashback when they use the payment feature of the crypto and settle transactions in other exchanges in the wallet. Ever since their release, they have gained much attention and have been rising in the ladder since. Crypto.com also released their mainnet, which is called Chronos. Chronos is aimed to allow users to not only scale decentralized finance or DeFi, but they can also make the decentralized application or dApps in the mainnet. They can do this because Chronos provides the developers the ability to port apps from Ethereum and Ethereum virtual machines or EVM. In addition to that, Chronos can be integrated with NFTs in the metaverse. Unlike some wallets, Crypto.com actually has their own coin called CRO. The coin is said to be a decentralized and open-sourced blockchain which can be used for payment, trading, and other financial services that the company can offer. The coin itself started the year 2021 with a market cap of $1.5 billion and quickly grew to around $13 billion by the end of the year. This 1,000% growth shocked the crypto world as it exceeded expectations and even beat the big names in the industry such as Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of growth. In addition, they have also released their very own NFT collection, which may influence the price of the coin in the future. Now, what is this big news that might be effective for the success of Crypto.com? Well, for that, we must have a little background before we head on to that, because this is more of a second degree effect for CRO rather than a direct effect. So, for that, we head on to KPMG. So, KPMG International Limited, or KPMG for short, is a British-Dutch multinational professional services network. It is a big company that is included in the Big Four of accounting organizations. In Canada, the professional services there are allowing Bitcoin and Ethereum to its corporate treasury in a recent announcement. In an interview with Benji Thomas, the Canadian firm's managing partner for advisory services, said that this investment reflects our belief that institutional adoption of crypto assets and blockchain technology will continue to grow and become a regular part of the asset mix. He added that they believe that the assets you gain, buy, and trade in crypto are a maturing class of assets. Karim Sadek, who is the Crypto Assets and Blockchain Services co-leader of KPMG Canada, believes that cryptocurrency should be considered by financial services and institutional investors as the industry continues to grow as a whole. He added, "We've invested in a strong crypto assets practice and we will continue to enhance and build on our capabilities across decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, and the metaverse, to name a few. We expect to see a lot of growth in these areas in the years to come. Despite this addition they've made, the firm looks to add carbon offsets in order to maintain zero carbon transactions made in their network." Because of the move KPMG made, the whole crypto market experienced gains because Bitcoin gained a price spike of 6.1% in one day. Some of you may be thinking, only 6.1%? That's nothing. You must remember that the price of Bitcoin is at the $40,000 mark. 6% for Bitcoin is already a lot. Anyway, because of the price increase of Bitcoin, it also helped push different names in the market such as Polkadot by 6%, Silvergate Capital by 4.4%, and of course, Crypto.com by an impressive 10% in a 24-hour comparison. But hold your horses. Before you go take money and invest in CRO, Polkadot or Silvergate Capital, it is important to note that this might be some sort of a fluke and not really a long-term run. Although experts believe that the KPMG move will be a good to the price of Bitcoin, some even seeing it to reach $200,000, which is just insane. Remember, the effects on the three markets are indirect and only Bitcoin and Ethereum are seen to experience direct effect. They might lose the hype and trend soon, especially in a market as volatile as this. You have to consider that some of the markets are playing to regain some of the loss they have made in the past couple of months. For example, with Polkadot in the last 3 months of writing this video, Polkadot is down 53% in terms of price. This means that if they are to ride with the run with Bitcoin, it is trying to regain some of its loss in the past months. The same goes for Silvergate Capital that has been down for 45% in the same time period. However, things are a little different with Crypto.com. Remember in our last video about CRO, we talked about how the LA Lakers boosted its popularity and price? Well, it has continued riding the bullish wave and has been up 38% in the past couple of months. Now, what does this mean for the price of CRO and its future prices? At the time of writing this video, the token is valued at $0.50 or $0.5 with a market cap of over $12 billion. The trading volume of CRO in the last 24 hours is at $180,000. Let's add on to the price prediction, and oh boy, we do have some news for you. According to the website Trading Beast, they predict the coin to end the year on a high note with a price of $0.65. Although most of its 2023 looks good, they predict the market to fall at around November for CRO and end the year with an average of 0.57%. If you keep on holding those coins until the end of 2025, then you're in luck as they predict the coin to be around $0.77 by that time. If you are torn between buying CRO, well, Codex gives you all of the green lights to do so. They have multiple indicators that tell you that you must buy the coin as they predict that the coin will at least double a year after this script is being written. For the website priceprediction.net, they expect the trajectory of CRO to be bullish in the next few years. For 2020, they predict that the average price of the coin will be around $0.7. Next year, they forecast that the coin will breach the $1 mark, especially if everything goes well for them. If not, the coin will only average at $0.99 for 2023. 2025 will be a year of celebration for CRO fans as they predict the price to average over $2 in that year. In 2030, they say that the coin will reach over $13, but that will be a long time from now. Crypto.com has been bullish for the longest time now. The brilliant minds behind the company just seem to have the luck of the Irish and keep on making moves that will benefit both the company and the users. However, remember that the growth may be too much for them and it all may come crashing down. In order to avoid that, remember that you can take things slow so that the market will not be overwhelmed with all the investments and transactions being made at a time. I'm afraid that is all we have for today. We hope you learned something new and enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like to give us the sign that you like these kinds of videos. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's free and it takes one click to do so. So, what are you waiting for? Go! Also, comment down below if you believe in the power of CRO for a chance at a shoutout in the next video. If you want more from us, we have a video that talks about Solana and its recent January struggle and how it will manage to bounce back for the year. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have fun cashing out.